The International Association for Travel Agents Network is a global organization based in New York that provides accreditation and certification to travel agencies and agents, established to maintain industry standards and promote professionalism. IATAN offers benefits, resources, and recognition to its members, enhancing their credibility and business growth. Operating worldwide, including Mexico since 1994, IATAN helps ensure high service standards in the travel industry. Besides its accreditation services, another function of IATAN includes the promotion of industry standards and best practices, provision of support and resources for business and development, and advocacy for interests of travel professionals in the global market. IATAN accreditation certifies travel agencies and tour operators as legitimate and proficiency in selling travel services. It offers benefits such as special fares, commissions, and access to IATA resources like booking tools and technical support. To obtain accreditation, agencies must be legally registered, experienced, and complying with IATA standards and local law. The Mexican Association for Travel Agencies was founded in Mexico in 1995, and it's a Mexican civil association which represents travel agencies and tourist business in our country. It aims to protect members' interests and promote tourism. The association is a key part of travel agencies' business and provides certification to members that enhance trust and ensures adherence to high professional standards. Objectives of AMAV would include to unite travel agencies that are actively engaged in selling travel services to the public. The association works to protect and advance the interests of its members, ensuring that ethical business practices are on all interactions with clients. AMAV is committed to stimulating interest in travel and fostering growth in both national and international tourism. ANTAD, which is the National Association of Travel Agents in Mexico, it's a non-profit organization dedicated to promote and regulate adventure tourism. It unites business and professionals to ensure that adventure tourism is conducted safely, ethical, and sustainable, while promoting training, establishment standards, and representing its members to government authorities and other entities. Among its objectives, ANTAD highlights the diverse adventure activities, increases awareness and encourages tourists across various adventure sectors, establishes safety and ethical guidelines, develops training for guides, and promotes sustainable tourist practice, offers programs to enhance the quality and safety of adventure experience for individuals and business in the sector, engage with government bodies and other stakeholders to influence policies and regulations favorable to adventure tourism industry, facilitates partnership and best practices, sharing among business and professionals in adventure tourism. The difference between AMAV and ANTAD is that ANTAD focuses on adventure tourism in Mexico, promoting safety, ethics, and training for activities like hiking, rafting, while advocating for its members to regulatory matters. AMAV covers all travel services, including leisure and business travel, unifying travel agencies, ensuring service standards, providing certifications, and representing its members to improve overall travel quality. If we talk about authorities, those authorities in aviation sector, we must for sure first mention IATA. The International Air Transportation Association represents 330 airlines, accounting for 80% of international air traffic. Its mission is to enhance safety, efficiency, and sustainability in aviation, by establishing global standards and guidelines. IATA ensures uniformity across airlines and jurisdictions, adding in smooth global air travel. It also provides professional support to stakeholders, helps navigate regulations, and advocates for fair practices in the aviation system. The International Transportation Association, IATA, has established detailed regulations and requirements to ensure the safe and efficient operation on the aviation regulations. These regulations cover various critical aspects on air travel. IATA sets safety guidelines for flight planning, crew training, operational procedures, and maintenance to prevent accidents, enhancing efficiency. Enforces strict rules for handling hazard materials, including packaging, labeling, and documentation to ensure safety. IATA establishes standards for cabin crew training, emergency procedures, and aircraft design to protect passengers and improve flight safety. It also works with government to develop security measures for passenger screening, cargo security, and airport access to maintain travel in air safety. The Organization of Civil Aviation International, ICAO, is a United Nations agency established in 1944 that facilitates global cooperation among its 193 member countries to ensure safe, efficient, and sustainable travel. ICAO supports the development of reliable global air mobility network, connecting developed and business worldwide by promoting socio-economic growth. ICAO is responsible for including setting international standards for aircraft operation, design safety, overseeing crash investigations, and establishing regulations for telecommunications, air navigation, and ground facility. As air transport evolves with new technology, ICAO provides essential techniques and diplomatic guidance, foster international agreements, and ensure the aviation growth does not compromise safety. Among its functions, it sets global standards for aircraft operation design and safety to ensure consistency and high safety levels across international aviation, creates and maintains regulations for air navigation systems, including air traffic control and telecommunications, defines protocols to investigate air accidents and incidents to improve safety by analyzing causes and recommending preventive measures. It also developed strategies for sustainable aviation fuels and emission reduction to minimize aviation environmental impact and support long-term ecological balance. It also offers training and technical support to member states to enhance their aviation infrastructure and regulatory capabilities to ensure effective management and compliance with international standards. The difference between ICAO and IATA is that ICAO is a UN agency, that sets global aviation standards and regulatory for safety, security, and efficiency, supports members' countries with training and sustainability initiatives, while IATA is a trade association for around 290 airlines, which focuses in supporting commercial interests by setting industry standards. In our country, we have national authorities for air safety. The first one is the Federal Civil Aviation Agency, AFAC, who is the main regulatory body for civil aviation, operating under the Secretary of Infrastructure, Communications and Transportation, ensures compliance with international and national standards for safety, efficiency, and sustainability. It operates under the General Civil Law of Aviation. Its mission is to maintain a safe and efficient aviation system and support Mexico's economic and social development. AFAC's functions are to set and enforce regulations for aircraft operations, maintenance, personnel certification, and air safety. It ensures compliance with the General Civil Aviation Law. The agency certifies airlines, operators, and aviation personnel, including pilots and maintenance technicians, to ensure they meet all technical and safety requirements. It also conducts inspections and audits the aviation operations and facilitates to monitor adherence to safety and regulatory standards. It supervises and investigates aviation accidents and incidents to determine causes and recommend preventive measures. AFAC works with national and international bodies to promote safety and foster a safety culture with the civil aviation sector. AFAC is crucial in regulating and overseeing civil aviation in Mexico, ensuring that the sector operates safely and efficiently while adhering to international standards and the General Civil Aviation Law.